Well, if you compare it to other cancer types, it is very rare. However, it is unfortunately one of the most aggressive types of cancer that you can encounter. So it is very sad that this is happening to this poor lady.
How much potential is there in the treatment that she's going to receive in Germany?
Well, I think she's gone through all the ordinary treatments, surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy. Now, this approach in Germany is different. It's looking at sort of re-stimulating your immune response to these tumours, which is normally sort of taken away, partly because of where the tumours are and partly by the tumours themselves. They can actually dampen the immune response. So it is a promising approach.
But of course, very expensive, hence that fundraising.
Yes.
How do we make that sort of treatment more available and readily available on your doorstep?
Well, the problem is that this particular treatment has not been approved by clinical trials, so it is an experimental, I think, still procedure that's been taken care of in Germany, and obviously the patient has to go there, and it is very personalised treatment, so cells from the patients are taken and used for the treatment, so that makes it really expensive. We have ongoing trials here in the UK in terms of immunotherapy, and they have progressed into different stages but have not been approved yet. So we just really have to wait for the outcome of these.
And I'm imagining that it's just down to research and looking for those breakthroughs, and that is not a fast or simple process, is it?
No, unfortunately not. So we have a very strong research group in the UK working on brain tumours. However, we're still lagging behind in terms of knowing about the biology of these tumours. Having improved diagnostics is very important, early diagnosis, and also having improved treatment options, because these ordinary treatment options, surgery, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, do not work in the long term, and we are lagging behind there in comparison to other cancer types such as breast cancer. So we really need to focus much more on the research, which obviously needs also funding.
Anke, thank you so much indeed for explaining the situation to us today.
Thank you very much. Thanks for inviting me.